Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today is the seasonal holiday tissue exchange. I have sent my tissues to Loli D's creation and I have received my tissues this month from Lisa, Loving's the Life, and she is also hosting this collaboration along with carrying the Loved Home Decor. Now these are the tissues that she has sent me. She has also sent me a postcard and it says, "Thank you so much. Aurea, thank you for joining us. Can't wait to see what you create. Happy creating, Lisa. Loving's the Life." And let's see what's in this package. Now on this collaboration, we are supposed to create anything within this season. I have decided to do spring. And these are the tissues that she has sent me. I love this one and I think this is the one that I'm going to be crafting with. This is beautiful. These are all beautiful napkins. This one I love. In the future, I will be creating with that one. And this one, I have never seen nothing like this. This is unique and I really like it. They are all so beautiful. I'm breathless. Thank you, Lisa, so much. And now let's go ahead and get creative. I have these little flowers. I'm going to be using one of them. I'm going to be putting Mod Podge on it and then I'm going to be using one of the tissues from the tissue exchange. And this is the one. I think this is absolutely beautiful. I'm cutting the excess tissue and then I'm going to come and use the burning method. I'm applying some Mod Podge to make sure that everything is sealed in. I'll be giving 2 coats of this opaline green to this beautiful piece from Dollar Tree. I waited till it was dry and now with some hot glue and this baker's twine, I'm going to wrap the entire handle. And look at how beautiful this color turned out to be. You were able to use whatever color you want, but I thought that this screamed spring. And now with this beautiful flower that we have added the tissue to with plenty of hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right in front of this beautiful piece. And look at how beautiful this turned out. I'm going to put this to the side and I'm going to come back with, I'm going to be adding some glue to this piece right here. This is of leftover shelf that I had. So I'm recycling it with plenty of this Mod Podge. I'm just going to go ahead and take this piece of scrap paper and I am going to be decorating it with that. I'm going to be cutting the excess paper and then I have some bamboo sticks that I'm also going to be gluing on all 4 corners with hot glue. And while that dries, I'm going to come back with some more baker's twine and I'm going to be adding a piece of this baker's twine right here in the bottom, and I will be doing the same thing to the upper portion. And now it's time to assemble everything together. Sit back, relax, and see what I am creating. Here we are with our final project, and it is looking absolutely stunning, adding some yellow floral accent to make it even more beautiful. If you enjoyed this DIY project, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking it to help spread the word. And thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful project. I purchased this beautiful tray from Dollar General, and I purchased several of them. I'm going to be giving it one coat with this linen white chalk paint, and I will be only painting the inside. Once I gave it that one coat and I let it dry, I came in with some Mod Podge, and I'm going to be gluing this beautiful tissue in sections. I'm also going to take some of this Mod Podge and I'm going to be sealing the corners. And with this Baker's Twin, I'm going to be wrapping the handles. I'm gonna be removing this little sticker. I did not pay $7. I paid 40 cents for this. This was a huge bargain. I also have these wood beads, and I'm gonna be gluing one on each corner. And I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist in the video description for more content. If you enjoy this video, please consider giving me that like and share with others. Your support means a lot and will help create more amazing videos in the future. And thank you once again for stopping by.